the first tech op of what we hope will be many. We're looking at 3 or 4 a year and looking to merge those with other events happening on the campus that show the extraordinary science and technology research that we do here at NPS. We at Naval Postgraduate School realize that the science and the technology of this country is rich when you bring together government and industry, the public and the private sector, and all of higher education. That is the magic of our intellectual genius. So being able to further collaborate and partner with industry is a very important part of our work, as together we find solutions for national security, not only in the United States, but the globe.
5G is a global effort across different companies, not only within the US. And this general approach that these companies have really enables a global scale of communication. 5G at this point is just the next generation of communication that gives us significantly higher performance, significantly smaller latencies in communication between different agents. A person who is requesting service of those platforms, autonomous platforms, for example, in the air, will have immediate feedback of intelligence information given by those platforms immediately to him in the field.
There are opportunities that allow us to work with the government and university where we can benefit from each other. Research environments generally allow you to take more risks, and that's a challenge in the business world. There is risk-taking, but it's at a different level, I would say, and this allows us to leverage that academic risk-taking.
It's nice to see this outreach occurring to industry. You can see from the array of private sector individuals here across a number of sectors of industry that they understand where the critical thinking is being done, particularly by the best and brightest operators from the fleet and the force. That's a real value.